you can go to my NFT wallet and you can see what I own. Like that's not something that I'm trying to hide, right? And I think when you think about these NFTs and how popular this really can and I think will become, it's all about when you think about this day and age and social media and just socially how we are and how we communicate. It's about what I got. And it's not even necessarily trying to floss per se, but we communicate a lot subconsciously, consciously by the things that we buy. I had a conversation at dinner because I was wearing a bracelet that was made out of that is made out of like tiger eye stones. Really nice bracelet. I think my wife got it for me for Christmas. Um, I wear it because I like it. I have a particular watch. I have particular rings. You may be wearing a hat, right? When I think about, there's been plenty of times where you're rocking your Vikings hat. I'm rocking my Giants hat. We're communicating something about that, right? Something about us. This is my team. This is how I like to dress, or I like this brand. Whether, there was a point in time where like I only wore Adidas because I love Notre Dame. Notre Dame was sponsored by Adidas. So I was buying a lot of different clothing and stuff like that. That was just Adidas. It is very similar as you go through that process of purchasing NFTs, whether they're the art kind of, and again, we'll kind of dive into the different kinds of NFTs that are out there, and I think will continue to be created as time progresses. But it's really just about communicating what you got and the things that are important and special to you. And I think that's also really unique about this space is like, and you can't fake the funk. Again, we were, when we first started, you can act and rent out, a plane or a car, or you see a Porsche on the side, parked on the side of the street, and you go and take a picture and put it on Instagram, like that's your Porsche. No, it's not. But when we're talking about these digital assets, again, that are on the blockchain, that are in your wallet, it is a fact that you own that piece of art or that digital asset. Again, it's not always going to be art, but you own that digital asset, and there's no way to get around that, or to fudge that. You know what I mean? So, again, I think that is super unique about this NFT space and this NFT world. But again, in order to do that, you need to make sure that you have a digital wallet to be able to hold your NFTs in.
Yeah, I think you're spot on. And what we're seeing now more and more is that um, large aspects of our life, or to your point, how we communicate what
Mm-hmm.
we value, is really digitized today.
Mm-hmm.
From the pictures we put on social media to, I mean, hell, how many of us are using Cash App, using Apple Pay, using Google Pay, using these things where, if you would have told us 10 years ago, the thought of like just using your phone as a single source of everything